Agriculture is a big subject and needs a very deep understanding of the system and how plants did grow for over 400 million years without depleting any resource. Actually, our current conventional industrial agriculture is augmented form of the agriculture which was started, say, 10,000 years ago by Homo sapiens to avoid wild animals and grow crops in a concentrated form for convenience. This is how agriculture started, and they started to just bury the seed in soil, and that was the purpose of getting a better germination. We never thought about looking at the possibilities of growing crops without any interventions in the soil system and grow according to the natural process of soil fertility and vegetation. And this is what we started doing many years ago, and we have developed a process which is aligned to natural process and natural ecosystem. And because of that, we are able to grow crops without any purchase inputs, that is fertilizers and pesticides and even ploughing, and with a very small amount of water. So in this slide, I'm going to explain the 4 quick and easy steps to convert from conventional to picnic, which is paradoxical agriculture, or you can say Paedar Qudratti Nizam Kashatqari, and that is sustainable agriculture farming system. The first thing is that depending upon the irrigation system that one has, we have to, if it's a flat land and it's a gravity flow irrigation that is applied, we should level the lands, and we'll try to develop biggest or longest the fields so that the tractors or other machinery is conveniently work and field. So we recommend in flat-land areas where gravity flow system is used to develop up to 10 acres depending upon soil chemistry and soil composition. 10 acres length of these, and there's a water course on the one side, and that's it. And then the beds are made, and this is how the irrigation is because the new understanding is that we should not irrigate the crops. We should only see moisture levels in the soil and maintain that moisture. So longest field, that is the first step, and that is part of the farm designing. Number 2 is we, by use of heavy machinery and passing it through time and again, we have developed a hard pan below the surface, because per 6-8 inch soil is pulverized through different machines, different ploughing equipment. But no, underneath the soil is very hard, and through which water cannot penetrate, cannot infiltrate, cannot absorb, and even the root system does not go. This is why crops do suffer and many times lodge. So this is very important, that hard pan must be broken before we convert. This is the second step. And third step is that after breaking hard pan, we make permanent raised beds, and these raised beds are going to be maintained at the same place forever. So we grow crop after crop on the same beds without disturbing the soil with no-till Persian planter, which I'll show you in the next picture. So this is the planting machine, which is actually doing many jobs at a time. It has a crimper in front for cover crop management, and then is this weed management and this hay management. And this is how the plants are going. Seeds are planted through the mulch, organic mulch or a plant residue from the previous crop. So this is the whole system, and the four simple steps, easy steps to convert from one production management system to another convention. It's very convenient, it's very easy, and it is very time saving, and of course it has many benefits. Water requirement is reduced by more than 80%. Seed is counted, and so seed rate is less than no fertilizer and no pesticide is required, because soil has everything that a plant needs to grow well. The only problem is that most of the minerals available in soils are in sustainable form, and to get those minerals converted into plant available form, we must have the microbes in the soil, which is basically a mother of the plant. So with this planting system, we grow bumper crops on a very, very large acreage, and all kind of crops. So this picture is of the wheat crop, and no application of fertilizer, no pesticide, nothing is done. Just seed was planted, 8 kilogram seed was planted on beds. We maintain 9 by 9 inch row to row and plant to plant distance, and to get about 25 tillers per seed, and that comes up to about 1.5 panicles per acre of the crop, and get a bumper crop. Our local conditions in Pakistan are a bit difficult, because our spring season is very short, and crops tend to premature because of the sudden heat that starts in end of March. Thank you for listening this short brief.